Binder Jet 3D printing is one of the fastest and most production-ready forms of additive manufacturing. Binder Jet uses an industrial inkjet printhead technology to quickly deposit a bonding agent onto a thin layer of powdered particles. Anything from sand, a variety of industrial ceramics, more than 20 metal alloys, and even wood. This high-speed process is repeated layer by layer using instructions from a digital file, using only the material needed to shape the part until the object's form is complete. What makes binder jetting production ready is its mature and stable process. The strategy of depositing binder across a powder bed with the sweep of a printhead is like printing on paper. Compare that to other 3D printing techniques that use points or lines to trace out an object. The speed of binder jetting is unmatched. With each fast pass of the printhead over the powder, complex geometries are formed, removing many of the design constraints of conventional manufacturing methods. After the print process completes, the powder bed is then dried or cured in an oven. The post-print process will depend on the materials being printed and the complexity of the geometry. The print process results in a green part created from bound particles. The printed parts, or green bodies, are then removed from the powder bed through a process called depowdering, recycling most of the material not printed. For most metals, those green bodies are then further cleaned prior to sintering in a high-temperature furnace. Sintering fuses the metal particles together into a final metal object that is dense, accurate, and can be machined. The speed of Desktop Metal's Binder Jet 3D printers makes complex parts more affordable than any other form of metal 3D printing.